It's Lainey, and I'm ready to spice things up with my new October Morphe Me brushes. This month is all about the eyes, so let's give them pumpkin to talk about. This collection has a pointed foundation and concealer blender, a detailed smudger, a blending fluff, and a small detail brush to carve out the perfect looks for sweater weather. If you're cozying up for a girls' night in or headed to a bonfire, you'll be serving a lot more than pumpkin pie this fall. Keep watching to see how. To slay the perfect fall look, I'm starting off by adding the shade Venice Beach from our LiveGlam Marble Ballet palette to my crease using the E30 blending fluff. To add some depth to my crease, I'm adding Santa Monica, a matte chocolate brown, using the same brush. I'm also packing that same shade all over my lids. Next, I'm taking the E35 Detail Smudger brush and dipping that into Beverly Hills. I'm using this brush to carve out a sharp wing liner. Moving on to the face, I'm grabbing the foundation side of my E25 to get a flawless base. Then I'm switching to the concealer side to conceal any blemishes and brighten up my face. I'm also using that same brush to bake this face better than some pumpkin pie. Then I'm going back to the E35 and smudging the shades Santa Monica and Hollywood on my lash line for some drama. Next, I'm taking my E37 small detail brush and adding a pop of City of Angels to my inner corners. To finish up the eyes, I'm adding mascara and some fluttery lashes. To warm things up, I'm adding some bronzer and blush to my cheeks and forehead. And to keep that summer glow through fall, I'm adding a gold highlight to my cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow using the E25 concealer end. To complete this gorgeous look, I'm applying my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippy in the shade Hot Cocoa. After you've fallen for these brushes, don't leave us hanging. Make sure to tag #LiveGlamFam to show us your spicy looks using our October collection. Stay glam!